at Test Fest in Palm Springs Thermal Club, and this is my first go in the M850i, and we're going to do it on track, so that should be fun. First time driving this really powerful, really pretty, very expensive car is going to be on track. Yep, all good. Alright, so let me get my seat situated here. Alright, so first thoughts on the interior is it's excellent, actually. It's very driver focused. Everything seems to be where it needs to be.
While the instructor man talks to me in this video, I can tell you that the interior of the M850i is wonderful. Its design gets some criticism for being a bit boring, but its gorgeous materials, simple yet elegant design, and driver-focused cockpit make it a lovely place to spend hours and hours behind the wheel.
Let's start it up. Ooh, she sounds pretty. So let's put it in drive, turn the parking brake off. We're gonna swing around here, my window up.
At this point, the instructor man was talking to me again as we waited for the other cars on the track so we could head out onto the back straight for the first time.
This is the longest straightaway out here, so when we pull out on that section, I like to take off right away, just because it's a long straightaway and you can feel the car's acceleration. So those guys are clear, so let's go ahead and take it.
It sounds good. Said around 5%. Whoa, whoa, I just feel like steering intervention. I don't know what the hell that was all about. Oh, that is what he was talking about, okay. I messed that up. It's been a long time since I drove here. Trying to relearn the track. The steering is very sharp, very accurate. This engine is incredible. So much pull. It's just so punchy. And it sounds great. I don't know how much of that is fake speaker noise, but it really sounds excellent. Not even foot's not heavy braking. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Someone had just taken this for hot laps maybe 30 seconds before I did. So the brakes are probably a little hot. So that was a little sketchy actually feeling. But it does feel like a really willing dance partner on track. Which is okay, full throttle, here we go. It's a really fun car to drive, which is interesting because this is the GT version. This is not the full-on M8. This is the Grand Touring model. You know, it's supposed to be part Grand Tour, part sports car, not the full-blown, you know, monster M8. But it still feels really good on track. There's a little bit of body roll, but it's not bad. And I kind of like a little bit of body roll because it allows me to feel what the car is doing. I can kind of, and the nose just tucks right in. For such a big, heavy car, it really is fun to drive. I always love how these instructors are basically driving, looking in the rearview mirror, because they're looking at us, trying to teach us how to drive, and they're still so much better. They're still... Oh my
After just a few short hot laps, it was time to pit, but I got enough of an impression to know that the BMW M850i is a more than capable track car.
Alright, so we're gonna pit. I'm not gonna lie to you, that was not my best track day. That was not my best effort. But I'm also still learning this car, and I have to say, very, very quick impressions on track. I really like this car a lot. I can feel it work underneath me. I can feel the chassis kind of squiggle, you know, on corner exit. I can feel the roll a little bit. It feels almost like it's moving around my hips, which is interesting because this is a really big car. You know, so it's big and it's heavy, and it still feels like a driver's car. I mean, obviously it's a little more comfortable in something like an M8, so it's not going to be as sharp as that.
Once you go in front of me, you just park behind the other blue car on the right there. So in front of me, and I'll have to slide in behind you.
But first impressions, very good. I'm very excited about really testing the 8 Series further and for the upcoming M8. Stay tuned.